Hi, Lina. Are you watching TV?
No, the TV is on, but I am not watching it.
Why not? Is your favorite cartoon on?
I don't feel like watching cartoons today.
Are you hungry? Mom made some snacks in the kitchen.
No, I am not hungry.
Lina, you have been sitting here for 1 hour. You have not said a single word.
I have no one to talk to, Arian.
What do you mean? I am here. Mom and Dad are here.
You are here, but you are always busy.
I told you before, Lina. College is very difficult. I have to study hard.
I know it is hard, but you used to help me with my drawings.
I have many big exams this month. I am sorry.
Today, I got a star on my math homework. I wanted to show you.
That is great news. Where's the paper?
I waited at your door for 20 minutes, but you were talking to your friends on the phone.
Oh, I was talking about our group project.
You laughed a lot with them. You sounded very happy.
They are my friends, Lina.
I am your sister, but you don't laugh with me anymore.
I didn't know you were counting the minutes, Lina.
I feel like a ghost in this house. You walk past me and don't see me.
I see you, Lina. I am just stressed.
If you are stressed, you can talk to me. I can make you laugh.
You are right. I am being very selfish.
You spend 3 hours with your friends, but only 5 minutes with me.
You are right. That is not fair to you.
Sometimes I think you don't love me anymore.
No! Never say that. I love you very much.
Then show me. Spend some time with me.
Okay, let's do something special.
Can we go for a night walk, like we used to do?
Yes, we can walk to the park and see the moon.
Will you bring your laptop?
No, I will leave it here.
Will you check your phone?
No, I will leave my phone in my room.
Do you promise? A real promise?
I promise. No distractions, just you and me.
Okay, I will go get my blue jacket. It is a bit cold outside.
I'm going to get my jacket.
Good idea. I will put on my shoes too. Let's have a long talk. It is very quiet tonight. Do you like the silence?
Yes. At home, it is noisy with the TV and your loud music.
My music is not that loud.
Yes, it is. Sometimes the floor shakes in my room.
Okay. I will turn the volume down next time.
Thank you. Arian, tell me about your college. What do you study all day?
I study computer science. I learn how to build websites and apps.
Is it very difficult?
Yes. Sometimes the code has a bug or a mistake. Then I have to spend hours finding it.
Is that why you look so angry at your laptop?
I am not angry. I am just concentrating.
You should take a break and play with me. Maybe you will find the mistake faster.
You are very smart, Lina. Sometimes a break is the best medicine.
Tell me about your friends. Is the tall boy with the red bag still your friend?
You mean Rahul? Yes, he is my best friend. He is very funny.
Does he have a sister?
No, he is an only child. He always tells me I am lucky to have a sister like you.
Really? He said that?
Yes. He said, Arian, you have a sister to talk to. I only have my cat.
Poor Rahul. A cat cannot play hide and seek.
That is true.
Look at these flowers. They look silver under the moon.
They are beautiful. Do you remember when we planted flowers in the garden?
Yes, I was 5 years old. You gave me a small yellow bucket.
You were so small. Time is going very fast, Lina.
I don't want to grow up too fast. I want to stay 10 years old for a long time.
Why is that?
Because adults are always busy. Like you, I want to have time to walk and eat ice cream.
Being an adult is not easy. You have many responsibilities.
What is a responsibility?
It is something you must do, like paying bills or doing your job.
Is being a good brother a responsibility?
Yes. It is the most important responsibility I have.
Then you must practice it every day.
I promise I will. I want to be a brother you are proud of.
I am proud. Look, there is the ice cream shop. I can see the lights.
Let's walk faster. My stomach is starting to rumble.
I will race you to the lamppost.
1, 2, 3, go! Wow, look at all these new flavors.
They have blueberry sky and mango magic.
Oh, which one will you choose?
I will take the chocolate mountain in a big waffle cone.
And I will have the vanilla bean in a cup.
Don't forget the sprinkles, Ariane. Can we have extra sprinkles on the chocolate one, please? Ariane, why is vanilla your favorite? It is so plain.
I like it because it is simple. Sometimes simple things are the best.
I like chocolate because it is exciting.
That is just like you. You are exciting and you talk a lot. I am quiet and simple.
Look, a little kitten. Do you think it is hungry?
It looks healthy. Maybe it lives near the park.
I want a pet, Ariane. But Mom says I am too young to take care of one.
A pet is a big commitment. You have to feed it and wash it every day.
I can do that. I take care of my dolls.
Dolls do not eat or run away, Lina.
That is true. Maybe when I am 12?
We will see. I will help you talk to Mom about it later. Lina, I want to tell you something important.
What is it?
Tonight was the best night I have had in a long time.
Better than playing games with your friends?
Much better. My friends are fun, but you are my family.
I am happy you stayed off your phone.
I realize that my phone is just a machine. But my time with you is a treasure.
I don't want you to be sad or stressed at college anymore.
I will try my best. And I have a new deal for us.
What is the deal?
Every Sunday afternoon, we will have Lina's Hour.
Lina's hour? What is that?
For 1 hour, I will do whatever you want. We can draw, play football, or walk.
And no laptops?
No laptops, no homework, just me and my sister.
I love that deal.
It is a contract. We must keep it.
I am so lucky to have you, Ariane.
I am the lucky one. Come on, finish your cone. It is starting to drip.
Oops! I don't want to waste a single drop.
Let's walk back home. Mom will be waiting for us with warm milk. Simple nights can become the best memories.